Good morning, students. Now, today we'll start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 15, biodiversity and conservation. Clear? Now, the meaning of this word biodiversity means bio means living, diversity means variety. So, in this chapter, basically, we study about the biodiversity means variety of species found in the universe, right? And conservation means how you can conserve those species from extinction. हम उनको सेव कैसे कर सकते हैं, right? Now, biodiversity word basically is given by Edward Wilson. Clear? It was given by the Edward Wilson. Clear? Now, biodiversity, if you will see around you, you can find the lots of number of species. Like, for example, there are near about 20,000 species of ants. Clear? इतनी ज़्यादा वैरायटी है बेटे. Near about 3 lakh species of beetles. So you can have the judgment ki how much biodiversity is there. Then near about 28,000 species of the fishes and nearly 20,000 species of the orchids. Clear? So this shows that how much biodiversity is there around you. Now we will study in detail about the biodiversity because there are different levels. Clear? Where you can study the diversity. The first is, now the most important of them is genetic diversity, right? Now genetic diversity we will study a single species might show high diversity at the genetic level over a distributional range. Now the genetic variations shown by the medicinal plant Revolvia vomitoria growing in different Himalayan ranges might be in terms of the potency and concentration, right, of the active chemical that is reserpine that is the plant produces. Now India has more than 50,000 genetically different strains of rice and 1,000 varieties of mango. So it shows the genetic diversity. Clear? Ki how genetically different type of organisms are there. And if we talk about the second, which is most important of them are, now that is species diversity. Clear? Now species, you know the meaning of species, the diversity at the species level. For example, in the Western Ghats have a greater amphibian species diversity than the Eastern Ghats. So you can find the more species there, right? Next is ecological diversity. Clear? Now, in ecological diversity at the ecosystem level, India, for instance, with its desert, rainforest, right, different type of ecological systems are there. Mangroves, coral reefs, wetlands, estuaries, and alpine meadows has a great ecosystem diversity than a Scandinavian country like Norway. Clear? So these are the different levels where you can find that diversity means biological diversity. So these are the important terms you can say. You have to study at the different levels. So this is only for today. Have a nice day, beta.